So in the question we have that there is 60 grams of ice. So mass of ice is equal to 60 grams. The temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. So these are the values for ice. And now it's mixed with mass is equal to 60 grams of steam, where temperature of steam is 100 degrees Celsius. These values are for steam. We need to find at equilibrium what is the mass of water and what is the mass of steam. So this is ice. Ice at 0 degrees Celsius. It will get converted into water at 0 degrees Celsius. This will get converted into water at 100 degrees Celsius. And we have steam on the other hand. Steam will be at 100 degrees Celsius and it will get converted into the same water at 100 degrees Celsius. So the amount of heat required by the ice to convert into water at 100 degrees Celsius is, here it will be ml because there is no change in temperature and only there is change in state. And from here to here, that is from water to 0 degrees Celsius to water at 100 degrees Celsius, is ms delta T. And heat given by the steam will be equal to m into L. So heat required by water, amount of heat required by ice at 0 degrees Celsius to convert into water at 0 degrees Celsius, water at 100 degrees Celsius is equal to ml plus ms delta T. Mass of ice 60 grams. Latent heat of fusion, it's 80 plus mass of same 60 grams of ice will get converted into 60 grams of water. So mass will be 60 itself into specific heat of water is 1, delta T it's 100, from 0 it went to 100, so 100 minus 0 which is 100. So 4800 plus 6000, this is equal to 10800. So this is the amount of heat that that ice requires to convert into water which is at 100 degrees Celsius. So we can tell that this is the heat given by the steam to ice to convert into water. So this is the heat given by the steam to convert into water, and we know latent heat of vaporization of water is of steam is 540. So the amount of steam that is converted into water, so we can take m into L. Here the formula is m into L. M into L is equal to 10,800. This is the heat given by steam. So L we know. L is 540. This is equal to 10800. By calculating we get m is equal to 20 grams. So 20 grams of steam will get converted into water. Initially there was 60 grams of steam. So the total weight of water is equal to initially 60 grams plus the amount of steam which is converted to water, that is 20 grams. So 80 grams of water is there, and amount of steam totally there is 120, that is m1, this is m1 and this is m2. Total mass is 60 plus 60, that is 120, and there is 80 grams of water. So mass of steam is equal to 120 minus 80, which is equal to 40 grams. So there is 80 grams of water and 40 grams of steam. Here the temperature of thermal equilibrium is 100 degrees Celsius. So the option is 1.